pati yung nila ng music, everything.
I'm not moving, yeah. I'm not moving.
Tama pala ang sinabi nila, no? Hanggat andyan pa, yakapin mo na, yapos-yaposin mo na, halik-halik ka na. Kasi kapag wala, ay, girl,
Patay ka na.
buti na lang, minarest siya na natin ang ating mga guys. Over sa pagkakamolest.
Pero, galit. Pero everything is going to plan. Diba? Lahat yung magagawa. Kundi, lumaban ang lumaban. Dahil, enrollment is now going on. Classes start June 26. 3:30 a.m. Kung ilalabas ko lang. One day you come back and it's time missing me. And then I'm barking, I'm mocking, I'm
Unbelievable sense in this crowd of fear. Soaring, tumbling, freewheeling on an endless diamond sky. A whole new world, new horizon to yourself.
Andala ko ang kalo. Yung mga hindi,
Let me share this whole new world with you. Whole new world. There will be the feelings change. What's your place? Are you and me?
They were over.
Basta, I forgot the word. Basta yung...
Ay, sorry pala siya?
may sinabi si Rob.
Ay, bad words. Yung bad words, no?
Hindi naman. I mean, basta yung reaction niya ba, like, what are you laughing at? So they like, parang kumawa na.
That was K-Project. Kasi diba, sorry, there was just, you were here and we were here. And, parang, even though it was the second time, sabi ko, parang kita ko siya na he was laughing again. Pero, what are you laughing at? Yung sinabi ko lang.
Yun lang, sinabi mo. So yun, I mean, Paul Jake hasn't really anything against you.
Ganun talaga
at the start. Ganun lang talaga si Paul Jake. And then, diba sabi mo na parang you don't like him from the second week and everything. But ako, personally, I like Paul Jake. Yung the fun side of Paul Jake, and he's really a very good-hearted person despite kung ano man, kung mayaman siya or ganun. So, yung time na parang you're joking ata to Rika na so Rika, you've got 3 balls and something. So now you got 3 balls yung
yung sa toy.
So, doon mo makikita si Paul J. was like, it was, sa feeling niya, he was defending Rika. Siya yung na-hurt para kay Rika, na parang baliwala lang sana kay Rika yun. So, despite of yung pagkamaalas ka ni Paul Jake, yung mahilig mang asar, it's like a good person ba na parang he's hurt by your words na kahit kung sasayo man ay joke lang din para kay Rika, or si Rika kahit hindi siya apektado, but si Paul Jake affected. So parang, shucks, iba na naman yung dating niya sa'yo na anong nasabi kay ni Rob kay Rika. Parang, ano na yun, it's like offending ba sa part daw ni Rika. So, ganun, but honestly, wala naman talagang, oo. And then, hindi kasi sinabi niya, parang,
wala kayo ni project para kayong mga ipagdaman-daman.
Kasi sabi ko rin kay Kuya, if I don't have to do anything with him, I won't talk to him. If I don't have any task with him, I won't do anything with him. Sabi ko. Ayun, and then, di ba nag-leader kayong dalawa? Like din at kay Silvery.
Tapos, mahilig lang talaga mag-asar si Paul Jake. It's like the best thing about Paul Jake.
Alam mo, pag-work kami umalis dito,
you just have to
laban tayo yun yung sabi niya.
You just have to go, no? And then, base sa shinare mo ngayon na sobrang nag-open forum kayo about being war, if you go war, and kailangan physical, or if there's blood to be spilled or something, blah, blah. Sa amin talaga, oh my God, we're so sports. Yung wrap-off namin, of course, yung wrap-off namin, like, salamat sa, yung pagtugod. It's like, the akala nila, parang, they were so affected talaga.
They are?
Yes, I was really affected talaga.
Yeah. But, alam naman natin yung game, alam natin yung wrap-off. I mean, you just have to have fun ba? Have fun, and then, make use of whatever resources or anong pwedeng yung fun. Di ba, kasi nga, sa kanila, medyo seryoso. Sa amin, kahit Rob, honestly, natalo kami ng ilang beses.
Isa pa lang.
Sobrang saya pa rin.
Ay, isa pa lang. Natalo na CrossFit at saka yung,
yeah.
Hindi, kasi, di ba,
ang importante kasi sa amin is nagsaya kami during the loss or the win. Di ba? Yeah. Wala talaga. Every time na every time na siguro natalo kami against you guys sa isang game, hindi kami nagsasabi na, kailangan, yung parang mga plano ba to really win, and you have to, honestly, sports lang lahat sila. Kahit natalo, sobrang saya pa rin.
Alam mo, Rob, hambog lang talaga tayo. Alam mo, bet tayo dun, ha?
Oo, alam ko.
Hambog lang bet tayo. Sorry lang tayo. Pero, wala, char-char lang ba yun? Pag natalo, chok, nirese. Mga hambogero kasi.
Yeah, parang kami yung,
kasi alam nyo, ayaw namin mag-lose again. Si Tom din, sabi niya, I do not want to lose again. Kung I would do anything, gagawin siyang lahat na ng bagay just to win talaga, sabi niya. So, that's the reason na frustrated kami lahat talaga, na sinabi niyo si Tom tungkol kay Carol, yung ganon. So, na-frustrated. Yung he would do like everything. Spill blood and everything. That would just, not even that would end the game.
Yeah.
You know? Ako din, na-frustrated ako din. Pero, buti na lang, na-control ako sa sarili ko. Siya naman, hindi siya na-control. So, unfortunately, siya, nalabas.
I-control natin yung mga style natin dito. Ito mga inaasal natin doon sa bahay ni Kuya ay hindi ito mga normal kasi
alam ko yun. At alam ko naman kung paano ako mag-control ang sarili ko, di ba? Kasi kung hindi talaga, in-approach ko si Paul Jake at
yeah, but you know what, Paul Jake is really nothing against you. Like,